this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. We're at job site address 3414 Grant Street in Vancouver, Washington. It's a post-video inspection of the sewer line that we installed. We've gained access through a 4-inch ABS cleanout at the exterior of the house. We've pushed out to the city main approximately 100 feet. We're currently sitting on the top of the city main right now, and so this will be a backwards inspection. Here we are in the 6-inch concrete. This is the city chimney, and we're looking directly vertical. And here's the downstream section of our liner. A little bit of painter tape still hanging down that'll get washed away with water use. Here's the transition from the 6-inch to 4-inch. Here's the connection we got for the laundry connection. You can see it at the left-hand 9 o'clock position of the And here we are back at the clean out, and this completes our inspection.